how to fix Roblox error code 268 on mobile. Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you through how to fix Roblox error code 268 on mobile. Alright, so let's begin. Error code 268 indicates you got kicked from a server due to unexpected client behavior. This basically means Roblox thinks your device or software is acting strangely. So to fix Roblox error code 268, first open the settings on your phone. Scroll down till you see apps or applications section, then tap on it. From the apps section, find Roblox in the list of apps and tap on it to access its app settings. Here go to storage section. Now choose clear cache from the bottom, then tap clear data, then tap delete to confirm. Go back and open the Play Store app. Search for Roblox. If an update is available, you'll see an update button next to the app. Tap it to download and install the update. Now locate the Roblox app on your device and launch it. Log into your Roblox account. Enter your Roblox username and password, then tap login. That's all you need to fix. Roblox error code 268. You can potentially fix the issues with Roblox error code 268 without compromising your Roblox account or device security. So that's basically how you can fix Roblox error code 268 on mobile. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful. And I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.